How to write an informative paragraph. An informative paragraph gives the reader information about a specific topic or idea. It includes facts and details, not opinions, that describe or explain what the writer wants the reader to know about the topic or idea. Objective. You will be able to write an informative paragraph about a topic or idea using the writing process. So your teacher tells you that you are going to write an informative paragraph about an animal. The animal you choose will be the topic of your informative paragraph. She reminds you that you must only include facts, not opinions, to describe your animal. We will use the writing process to write our informative paragraph. First, we must choose the animal we are going to write about. The animal we are going to write about is the giant panda. So, the giant panda is the topic of our informative paragraph. Step 1. Pre-write. Before we can start our paragraph, we must look for facts to write about the giant panda. We can look on the internet or go to the library to find books or magazines to find facts about the giant panda. What kind of facts should we look for? What do giant pandas look like? Giant pandas are black and white bears. Where do they live? They live in the bamboo forests high in the mountains of China. Step 4. Edit. After we have revised our paragraph, we will read it again and correct any mistakes in spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. Once our paragraph is perfect, we will write the final draft. Edit 1. Do not capitalize pandas. Edit 2. Capitalize China. Edit 3. Correct the spelling on sometimes and add an S to the end of the word. Edit 4. Do not capitalize pandas. Edit 6. Correct the spelling on there. T-H-E-I-R. There. Edit 7. Do not capitalize pandas. Edit 8. Correct the spelling on there. T-H-E-I-R. Congratulations! You have learned how to write an informative paragraph using the writing process. Now it's your turn to practice writing your own informative paragraph. These